Just getting Johnny back in here. Coffee. What's up, Johnny? What you got on bitter coins? Butt coin.
Coin.
What is that, like a fucking major? Damn, that looks like a fucking massive divergence.
Yeah, it does.
That's not good at all.
Yeah, I'm expecting it to go
A little bit lower.
Yeah.
Damn, I think XRP has the same thing.
I think so, yeah.
Basically the same.
Oh, counting the wicks.
Slightly up.
Yeah.
Slightly up. Not really. I wouldn't call it a divergence.
It's more. I think it's more clear on Bitcoin for sure.
Yeah, definitely on Bitcoin. That's for damn sure. Took out all the bottoms except for this one.
It's true. Yeah.
You got anything fun planned today or anything like that going on?
No, not really. Didn't know.
Keep it chill today.
Yeah, nothing much. How about you, man? What do you have anything besides?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to. Well, I mean, I'm just gonna go to Brickle after this. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, nice, nice.
Go do a little dream building. Go ride the bike over there and work.
Yeah, that's cool.
You know what I'm saying? Like work on some stuff and then see what places are around there. Yeah, because I was talking to Rob. I think it may make more sense. I don't know. I was thinking to I might even get 2 jobs, man. Might even do that. See if maybe I can do that other one and do the home one. I don't know if that would work.
Do which
The
one? No.
real
Oh,
estate,
the one that.
or it may just make more sense just to work harder at the other one. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be focusing more on probably like being outside, maybe fucking, or if we can do, if I can do that one, I just want to see what the pay is. If it's considerable, then it may just make more sense to take that, take the pay a higher increase.
That's true. Yeah.
Because if I make say an extra $1,000 more, bro, I can put that $1,000 just investing on little shit coins, man. You know what I'm saying?
True. Very true.
I could just be loading up on shits,
Mm-hmm.
not just shit coins, but like, loading up on my KuCoin, good, just kind of accumulating. But obviously, because of this next bounce that we're going to be getting in, I would just really, I just want to, I want to have a lot more.
Money to play with.
Yeah, a lot of more. Still have a decent amount too, and like I just want to make sure that in this bull run, this next bull run, I want to make sure I'm at least fucking 15 million or something, bro.
Yeah, seriously.
Something like that. My bag's in the right gaming. Everything is right, and by that time, boom, hedge fund, time to roll.
Yep.
Shiba Inu to create a FIFA World Cup 2022 NFT series.
Nice.
Yeah.
I want to ask you about Tesla. The company has a market capitalization of about $140 billion. It traded last week about $200 billion in stock and traded about $500 billion in options. And the stock moved about 20% a day. Meanwhile, Mr. Musk seems thrilled to stoke this volatility. I wanted to know what your thoughts are on this situation, and particularly what your thoughts are on Mr. Musk's behavior.
My thoughts are two. I would never buy it, and I would never sell short. I have a third comment. Never underestimate the man who overestimates himself. I think Elon Musk is peculiar, and he may overestimate himself, but he may not be wrong all the time.
I want to ask you about Tesla.
Never underestimate the guy that overestimates himself. That's true.
That's true.
Because the ego gets it's a very hard driving ego,
Yeah, definitely.
Very low volume today, man. Obviously it's a fucking Sunday.
Oh yeah. Huh?
Uh-huh.
Like that. That's right. Yeah, slow volume.
Yeah, no volume at all. So we got this structured down. Took out all of these. All these.
I want to ask you about Tesla.
Two deal temper in the hole. iPad discontinued its iPod brand after 21 years. iPods were the fucking shit back in the days, bro. KuCoin is the shit too, by the way. Fuck yeah. Oh, there's this software that does arbitrage, bro. Basically, it connects crypto exchanges.
Uh-huh.
It finds which ones are selling a certain crypto, and let's say it's selling it for 20 cents more somewhere else. It'll buy it somewhere for 20 cents cheaper and sell it at the other place for 20 cents more, and you get to keep the 20 cents profit.
Oh, really? Huh.
Yeah. That's what Sam Bankman-Fried, that dude, that's what he did.
That's pretty dope.
He did that before he started FTX.
Oh, really? Damn.
Yeah, I need to look it up, man. It's wait, I think I subscribed to this guy's channel. Right here.
Why, hello. We're going to talk about swap next today. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I have a lot of stuff I want to share with you.
You load it up with USDT, and that's a use click.
Really?
Swap next.
Oh,
And
shit.
data since then. I've had more experience since my last update. And I got to say, I'm really loving this opportunity and what it does. The more I learn, the more I like about it. Before we get into all this, and we are going to go through numbers and such, I'm not a financial or investment advisor. None of this is advice. Seek the counsel of a qualified, licensed financial or investment advisor if you want investment advice. I'm just some guy on YouTube. Don't listen to me. The results I'm sharing with you here are just my results. And I'm sharing these for informational, educational, entertainment.
Automated crypto arbitrage. That's what it is.
Only.
That's so sick.
Exceptional, not typical. Your results could be different. There's probably risk that I'm not even aware of involved in this crypto arbitrage thing. And all I can tell you is that when you're in business or you're an entrepreneur or when you're involved in trading, there's going to be risk. So please don't risk or invest any funds that if you were to lose it in a worst case scenario would cause any sort of a problem in your life. Past performance does not necessarily system. I say free because there is no cost, there is no price to use it. You would, however, need to move some crypto into your wallet that you want to use so that the system can execute those arbitrage transactions for you. Now, from a network marketing standpoint, which is where my track has been mostly,
it's a network
this
marketing.
is a product that is free, that has no monthly recurring costs whatsoever, that generates profit for every single person who's using it. Our product generates profit. Now, can I guarantee profit? No. I don't own the thing. I don't work there. This is an experiment for me. I'm a user just like anybody else would be who's a user of this system. The way that I operate is simply, instead of guessing and hoping and wishing and worrying, I just give it a shot and I see what happens. And sometimes great things happen. And sometimes bad things happen, but actually for me, not very often. Some sort of lukewarm things happen from time to time, but that's okay. Judging by how most of the public goes on and on about scams and the fear they have of losing at everything, you'd think like there was a scam or some sort of disaster around every corner. But I've been doing this stuff 25 years. I haven't seen that to be true. Now back to the concept of how this thing works. What is arbitrage? Arbitrage is just basically you find a product that is a certain price in one location, and you find another location where people are buying that product, and you simply sell it to them, buy it from the first location and keep the difference as profit. I mean, that's basically what that is. There are, well, we don't know how many crypto exchanges there are in the world. We know there's over 1,100 right now. That'll probably double in the next year. And all those exchanges have different prices for all the different coins. And sometimes those price differences are greater than others. And if we can use AI and automation combined with the know-how of some experienced traders to assist us to find and execute these arbitrage deals so that we can buy from the lower priced exchange, sell on the higher priced exchange, and keep the difference as profit, then we're doing what's called arbitrage. The system itself actually doesn't have a cost, but they do have transaction fees like any other broker would have. Now, SwapNext is licensed by the Australian Securities Division, whatever, I can never remember what that's called. All that information's here on their site, guys. People reach out to me about this stuff all the time. It's all right here. Like the documentation, like you can go search need a separate robot or script to automate it for us. They already have automated packages, as well as you can do manual arbitrage in here as well. I'm interested in, like, you can go search the what's it called in Australia? It's the AI something or other, ASIC. You can search for their number. They did that registration in January of 2021. So they are actually licensed and registered with Australia's Organization for Securities to be able to do this sort of trading. And we're going to go back in here. And well, I think the first thing I want to do is I want to just go through some of my numbers. So pay attention to earnings disclosure. These are just my numbers. I think I'd like to focus on the trading values first, log everything. I keep stats and everything, probably a little obsessive about it. All right, so in our trading section here under auto mode, this is automated trading. We don't need a separate robot or script to automate it for us. They already have automated packages, as well as you can do manual arbitrage in here as well. I'm interested in the automated trading. They go in terms. The longer term you select, the more trades you get per day, but the more capital it requires. This one requires a minimum of 50,000 in equivalent dollars. This one, 10,000, this one, 2. These require $50 minimums. Of course, you're only getting 1 trade a day here, or 2 trades a day here. In my opinion, those aren't really worthwhile. Doesn't mean you shouldn't do it. Don't listen to me. I'm not your advisor. For me, I don't see this one, anything less than this one, being very worthwhile unless you are an affiliate or network marketing type of person. You're going to be sharing this free arbitrage system with other people and generating referral commissions. Now, anyway, if we scroll down to our auto trading packages, I have 4 auto trading packages. I started with 120 days. The funds that I put in are locked up for 120 days. After the 120 days, they are released, and I can decide what I want to do with the profit every day as they happen. And one of the things that's happened recently, just in the last several days, is they have added a compounding option into the auto trading plans. And you see compound. I have compounding turn on for all of my trades right now, for all of my plans right now. And that means any of the profit I'm generating on a daily basis, I'm telling the system to automatically roll that back into the balance and use it for arbitrage trading transactions. It's optional. If I wanted to shut it off, I just click this box. That's all I have to do. When I do that, the profits then start going back into my wallet, and I can withdraw them if I want to. The compounding will only take you up to triple what you started with. So if you started with 2,000, it'll compound up to 6,000, then it will automatically shut the compounding off. From that point, you can always start a new plan on any of these. Okay. How do you compound in this? You can always start a new plan if you want to compound those profits. Like this plan, this is a 360 plan. I started this with 50,000. It's compounding. I'm on day 4 of this. Is up to 62,837 thus far through the compounding. If we go into our 120-day plan and we look at the details, we see a full breakdown of all the trades. Here is the ROI, 1946 on that one, 1670 on that one, 2147 on that one, 16018 on that one. I have these all charted and tracked. Let's see here, 16, what was the numbers? 1670, 2147, 1670. Let's reformat that. 2147, 1602, 1556. Okay, 1602. We go to the second page, 1556. So this goes back, it shows you all your trades for each plan. And it shows you the date. If you click on more details, it tells you what day.
Okay,
The day
do this
goes according
and
to GMT time. I'm in Central
again,
Time GMT.
blow it up,
I think
sell
it's
it,
about 5
network
hours
marketing
ahead
to
of
our
me.
people that we
We go
know.
back to our
Yeah, true that.
and we look at, let's look at this 5300 plan here. This plan started with, I believe, $10,140 worth of crypto. I mean, I'm trading USDT, which is the same value as the dollar, but you might be using Bitcoin, or there's 13 different currencies.
It's got 20% on there.
Anyway, let's look at it. So here we see one's pending, that the ROI on this single trade is 108.37. Last one was 120.24, 93.13, 88.20, 93.13, 88.20, 120.24. So, you know, we finished up with day 16 for May 11th on that particular plan. So all these plans, I keep all the data on all these plans, so I know exactly what's happening. There's a second 180-day plan. Here on our 360-day plan, this is the one I started with 50,000. You can see the ROI volumes on these. I mean, this one right here is 206, single trade return 382.49, 382.50, 511.75, 686 on a single arbitrage transaction, 437, 499,
It's very good.
434,
Six
and so
grand.
forth.
Mhm.
Here. 434, 437, 499. Okay, so that was just to show you that the numbers on my chart here match the numbers here in my documents. Now, in SwapNext, the reporting rolls over every 24 hours. So I could see the trades here and how much they are. But if I look at, if I go, let's see, let's go back here a second. If I look at something like this, like the values here, total profit, that is only accurate between the rollover time and after the rollover time till the next profit hits, because these only update every 24 hours. It's about 8:30
This is like
Eastern
a
time.
ridiculously powerful system.
So
Bro.
you
Whoever
might
made
notice,
this,
if you're looking at how much gain you've got on
this
each
is why
of
we
these
need to know
plans,
how to
depending
do
on what time
coding
of day
and
it is,
Coding, yeah, exactly.
God
the amount
damn.
you get if you go through all the trades individually. Same thing on the
Same thing
referral
at buying
commissions.
something on
Referral
on Amazon
commissions,
and selling it for higher.
in the referral section.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, some shit.
Reports only update every
Fuck.
24 hours, but I take the data straight from the trade.
Extremely
so I know
smart,
exactly
but
what
sooner or
I'm
later
looking
this
for.
will get
Okay, so what happened
clogged
here is
up.
I made an error. I had some values here for compounding, so I could keep track of the percentage growth daily, factoring in the compounding, and I accidentally.
I think these are
deleted
hidden
the
divergences
values, so
on
my
XRP.
daily growth percentage for the last few days is incalculable. So what I can do,
Yeah, it's like a hidden divergence, huh?
I don't know if that's a hidden one.
so I'm gonna have to start over on that.
I
because can only
entered some small
calculate
buys
daily
right here.
growth based on the value.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah.
Day. When you start compounding, it throws a wrench in the calculations, because prior to the compounding, the growth was only relative to
Is that a
one
trend line
particular
support?
investment amount.
No, yeah, it's a some support for sure.
Support,
Let's
trend
blow
line.
this up a little bit. So this is the
Little
120-day
divs.
plan. I started this with $2,020. This is my initial test. I'm on day 20. Just finished day 20. The total profit so far is $1523.52 on a 2020 investment.
That's really good.
The average daily return is 3.69%. Average daily profit is 76.18. Now, this will be going up steadily because I'm compounding this. How long am I going to compound it? I'm going to compound it. This is just what I'm doing. This is not advice. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not even recommending you do this. But I'm going to compound it until the amount triples. So this, on this plan, 76.18 a day, 3.69% growth per day. On this 180-day plan, which I started with 10,140, we're on day 16. The daily profit today was 555.71. Yesterday was 552.30. Day before 479.51. That'll continue to go up again because I have the compounding turned on. Total profit from this so far after 16 days, 6,366.58. Average
30% a month.
ROI or profit 4.25%. Average daily dollar amount
Oh, it's day
earnings
16. Holy
442.57.
60%.
I also have a monthly average estimate on
That's
this,
way better
which
than
is
trading, bro.
30, monthly.
Yeah.
So the average monthly profit estimate on this is
But you have to leave your money in there.
13,277 on a 10,140 investment. You have to keep in mind, I put 10,140 in. The first month it's going to produce 13,277. The second month, is just all profit. 13,277, 13,000, 13,000. So that'll go for what? 6 months. So the profit on this, if you believe these numbers, will maintain, and there were no compounding, the profit would be roughly 13,277 times 5 or times 6 minus 10,140 minus the initial investment. Monthly average estimated income on the smaller plan, 2285, which I think is significant because you have to understand these are just the auto trading plans. This has nothing to do with referring anyone or any referral commissions of any kind. This is what I would be earning if I were just sitting back and doing nothing, watching TV, going fishing all day or something like that. These earnings would continue to happen. I don't even have to manage anything. I don't even have to log in other than to withdraw profit. This amount is an amount that would be significant for any working family with kids who's struggling to pay the bills. An extra $2,200 a month would make a big difference in most people's lives. Now, in my life, it doesn't make that big of a difference, and you'll see why as we go. But I think that's significant because a lot of people have $2,000 sitting in a savings account rotting away from inflation. I'm not encouraging you to invest that or to remove it from your savings account. I'm simply pointing out the fact that inflation is probably 30 to 40%. And what you've got $2,000 in your savings account right now, next year is only going to be worth $1,600, maybe, depending what you spend it on. Our second 180-day plan is not correct. This started with 10,000. Our second 180-day plan is we're on day 10. Profit for today was 497.57. Yesterday 439.30. Day before 470.
I'll send you this one or what? You might
Average
download
daily profit 441.69.
Rabbit.
Since the beginning, I kind of had some issues in the beginning. I had to clear up.
I'll
send you
this
personal
one.
manager. You get a personal manager with this when you go onto the higher plans. They help you out. It's kind of like a concierge, right? You get a live person to tend to you because you're special, right? Anyway, some days you see, I got on this day 7 trades. On this day I had 4 trades. And these days I had 6. On this plan, I think it's supposed to be, I don't even know what it is. I think it's 6 is what they're shooting for. Overall, 6 orders. Overall, for the month, you should have about 6 trades a day on average. But you're not going to get the same amount of exact trades every day necessarily. So anyway, these numbers are basically calculated starting from here once I got all my issues sorted out.
You want to sign up?
Compounding as well, so I put
Definitely.
same time every day I check the balance so I can gauge how much is being compounded.
Okay, we're good. We're getting some up now.
Based off of that.
Yeah, we are.
As close as I can get it.
A little bit of-
But average daily increase for.
Okay, we already know what to do. So I sent you that once. Yeah, sign up, bro, and then let's put all our income here. Not all of it, but some of our. And then Johnny, I got a very, very good idea. So we're gonna do this. We'll put, maybe we can do our budget to 20%, 15% of our income comes here. We put it in here.
Yeah.
And then we start rolling it,
Yeah, true that.
That's dope, bro. We got another opportunity now.
Very true.
Now we have this. So now we got this. We'll learn how to do it when, when we're gonna load it up. When we're gonna load it with USD, then we'll put it. We'll get it ready. All right. I think the action's starting to come in and play now. And then some decent, nice little profit there.
Definitely getting some up movement.
What's up?
I said we're definitely getting some up movement.
Oh yeah. Makes sense because it tapped into like right here. And it's kind of what I said too. Watch, look. You take the range, take the mid-range, tap literally on the mid-range almost. Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, we're gonna be extremely wealthy, man.
How about it?
So we're gonna be extremely wealthy, bro.
Yeah, bro. Fuck yeah.
Shoot. You kidding me, bro? We want it too bad. What's gonna be like the first things you're gonna buy? Get rich.
I was thinking probably, I don't know, man, to be honest. So I do want to get like once we have all the money, then I do want to get a house, a nice fucking house.
Okay.
Yeah. I do want to get a nice house, and just
A house or a condo? Or
that's a good question, man. I don't know. I kind of visualize myself in a fucking badass house,
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
A nice luxury house. Modern. Yeah.
okay.
House for sure.
Say what? Okay, yeah. That's dope. Okay, cool. What's gonna be your first car?
So yeah, no, my house and then my car. I was thinking either like a Lamborghini, bro, or Lambo, yeah, or like a McLaren.
McLaren, huh?
Yeah, the McLarens are nice.
Those are fucking nice.
Yeah. Yeah, the McLarens are so sick, bro.
Oh yeah, they are. I think I'm gonna get a McLaren first.
Yeah, it just looks so hard.
Yeah, Lambo, I think I'll get later. But actually, I heard McLarens they get fucked up fast. Remember?
Huh?
T says they get messed up quick, so I don't know, man. We have to get another one. I think my first. Just want to make sure my first exotic car is more efficient.
Yeah, it's true.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna want to buy my parents a house.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, that's true.
First, I'm gonna buy my parents a house before anything.
Yeah, if anything, yeah, like for me, take care of their pay off their houses and stuff, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Yeah. That's true. And we got my parents a house. The first money, I think my parents a house. Second thing will probably be a decent car. I won't get a decent car until way later.
Yeah.
Man, yeah. Have them retire over here in fucking Miami.
What happened?
Probably gonna have my parents retire here in Miami.
Yeah, that's true.
But I know they don't like moving and changing, so who may not.
They don't know.
Mm-hmm. I think in general people don't.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't know if they'll be different. Yeah, so that crypto arbitrage shit, that's dope, bro.
That is pretty dope. Yeah,
Super
that is
dope.
pretty.
Oh, we got less than a minute. And
Oh yeah, yeah. It's on it.